In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Aircall in Monday.com. We'll walk through the setup process, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate Aircall's call handling capabilities into your Monday.com workflow. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, we need to go to the Monday Marketplace, which is your go-to spot for adding new tools and integrations to your account. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Aircall, and when you see it appear, click on the blue Install App button. What this will do for you is add the Aircall Calls board template to the workspace of your choice. This board is crucial, as it's designed to log all your call activity. Having your calls organized and logged is important for tracking them and ensuring you don't miss any critical communication. Next, you'll need a board to store your contacts' phone numbers, and it's important these numbers are in the International E164 format, complete with the country code. If you don't have one set up already, don't worry. You can either use an existing board or quickly set one up using a pre-made contacts template available in the Monday.com Template Center. This step is vital as it connects personal data to the calls you'll be logging. Once your contact board is ready, go back to your Aircall Calls board and add a Connect Boards column. This specific column will allow you to create the link between your calls and your contact list. Click to select your contacts board or whatever board you've chosen to house those phone numbers to establish the link. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure you tick the box next to Create a two-way connection. This ensures that updates or changes are reflected on both boards, maximizing functionality and ensuring everything stays in sync. Now, let's move to the Automation Center within your Aircall Calls board. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to create workflows that streamline your operations. To automatically log all inbound and outbound calls, you'll use the Aircall recipe. This will log details such as call direction, agent name, duration, and even a link to the call recording into your Monday.com board. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to keep track of all communication. You'll be asked to map specific data fields from Aircall to corresponding columns in Monday.com, so take your time to ensure all information aligns properly. To add an extra layer of efficiency, use the Insight Card recipe. This will push contact information from Monday.com directly to the Aircall phone app whenever you receive a call. This feature gives you instant context about the caller, allowing for more personalized and effective conversations. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage your calls and contacts within Monday.com using Aircall. Thank you for watching and happy calling.